Okay, go ahead. Shay got a couple more parts for her car. We're getting ready to get started on the engine bay cleanup. Me and Garrett test fitted one of her new front tires and wheels that needed a little bit of clearance on the new strut. Her old strut's literally, the rod just fell out and then fell back in. There was literally nothing in it. So she got new struts. We're going to finish the other side. We'll video that too, but we got one side pretty much mocked up and we know what we had to do. But her rotors had grooves, her pads are half worn. So we stopped what we were doing on the one side. And we're doing all the steering components too, other than the steering box, because it doesn't feel like there's any slop in the box.
Surprisingly, her power steering feels like a rack.
Yeah.
It's real smooth. There's like no play in it at all.
What you got? Thanks, guys. Really needed that to be bent. Good thing they're pliable. Got some valve cover, gaskets, stuff in there. More stuff in there. More stuff in there.
Got all of it.
You flip it over?
I gotta open it. Take it out of the frame.
You got brand new tall black covers. So guess what? Now your engine's gonna have covers that match. And you know what else? They also match your new air cleaner. Don't put it in there and scratch it all up. Then you got studs for each valve cover.
Are you doing a stud kit?
Yep.
Nice.
These are hold down bars, black hold down bars, and solid black pushing breathers. So now, put that, put that back around there so we don't scratch her up. Trying to keep your engine looking good enough for car shows. I don't want to destroy it. There you go. Just slide it in there in the box. Garrett can't wait to look at the breathers. They're going to look awesome.
They look like they'd fit on mine.
And another reason why I did this, Shay,
What?
with the black air cleaner, black valve covers, and the solid black breathers, you can pretty much paint whatever you want and whatever colors you want. Design your own. And then if you don't like it, you can always wipe it off, repaint them. And they don't have anybody's name. Your other one said Edelbrock. So, then you got this. There was no big box today?
No.
Oh, man.
Yeah, stud. Ooh, black stud kit.
Yeah. Black studs and black. I figured that with the hardware it'd be easier than chasing screws trying to get them to start.
Yeah.
I'm a horrible videographer. I'm back here video in the back of your arm. Watching with my eyes instead of my eyes.
Get out of there.
Didn't even cut that side.
You need to.
Okay, I know what them are. That is your new brake pads.
New brake pads.
Yep, brand new ceramic. So her new wheels will stay clean. You got a stinker. Look, Rock Auto. You should sponsor us. Look at this. There's the next one. Yeah. Rock Auto should be a sponsor. All right, here's this stuff. That goes to what's coming next.
Those are brackets for the brakes?
That is your wheel bearings, wheel seals, and some high temp grease. I eated it.
Those are brackets for the brakes?
Yeah, that's all the disc brake hardware for those brakes for her car.
Huh.
And I don't know which kit this is, if this is the front or the back. I'll have to look it up. I'm not sure. But the next things that's coming is your new brake rotors. And the other set of pads should be coming. I think they were coming from another warehouse. That's why they're not here yet. Cool?
Yeah.
So that means coming not this weekend because it's Mom's birthday, but probably next weekend. You got to learn how to do all this. Unless Garrett's going to mess with it this weekend and he's going to teach you.
Ain't this weekend the car show?
No. This weekend's Mom's birthday.
Actually, I did.
Car show's 24th. Remember, we made that mistake.
On the 12th.
The 12th is a Monday.
Yeah. Oh, it is the 24th.
Yeah, I think the Lord, my thingy for that is the 27th.
I didn't know. I thought it was the 12th.
That's what I said. Well, that's it, guys. Short and sweet. More parts rolling in, more work to do. Never ending projects.